What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be PPFing this 2021 Dodge Charger GT, but first we're gonna go ahead and roll the intro. Previously, I did the hood, satin black hood wrap, as well as the roof. Client came back and said he wanted to get a full PPF on the front end since this is a brand new car that he just bought. So today I'm gonna be doing a full process video of me PPFing the both front fenders, door mirror covers, as well as the whole bumper along with the headlights. Come on, let's get into it. But first I'm going to show you guys what product do I use, or what product you need for PPFing any car. First you need a slip solution. I have a labeled slip. Next one is tack. This one is just to wash down the panel before I even do anything. For tack solution, I use 70% isopropyl alcohol. For the soap solution, I use the Johnson baby soap, and for the water, recommend the steamed distilled water. And as far as the squeezy, I mainly use my hard squeeze. It's not super plastic, but it's malleable, where I can go around edges and stuff. Before I even PPF any panel, I wash down with the water, and then I squeeze the water out with this black squeezy. And then I also have these small ones just to get into the small part of the car, like inside of the front bumper, where I can get to it with the bigger squeezy. So these are some of the tools that you need to PPF any car. So guys, the client who I did the black out on the hood, the roof, as well as the trunk, came back a week later, wanted to also get a full PPF on the front end. So I went ahead and did that. It took me about a couple of days. So PPF covered for the fenders, for the whole front end, for the bumper, lower part of the bumper, as well as the headlights, as well as the fog lights. So yeah, so if you are anywhere from Milwaukee area or nearby, hit me up. Follow us on unique_wraps_414. Or you can call us, text us, whatever works for you guys, and we'll be happy to give you guys a quote on any car for wrap, for PPF, or for ceramic coating. So yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace.